my car. I took the battery out because my friend's car, the battery was stone dead. So he has a problem with the gears. Like all his gears shifted after they did the engine swap, and he thinks the releaser bearing is damaged. So yeah, I just switched the battery here. This is a vehicle 2007. It was a carb, but they did a fuel injected conversion. It wasn't too bad. I think it took us like 3 days to do it, but yeah, this car is quite nice. So yeah, just follow with me. I'm going to try to fix the gear issue, line the gears up, stuff like that. Quite happy for my friend because the car was parked up for a while. Trying to source cranks and get new cranks and stuff like that, but it's always difficult to get good condition second-hand parts, and if you're buying aftermarket, it's a gamble. So yeah, just follow with me and let's get this problem sorted out for him. So yeah, let's see what this car, because currently it's not getting gears. I mean, now I'm putting it and it's on. That's 3. Went right there, and that's going to 3. That's 5, 4, 2. So yeah, it's not getting 1. If it's going into 1, the car is going into reverse. So yeah, we're going to try to solve that issue now and see what's happening. Before I go any further, guys, please subscribe and like I said, I'm trying to grow the channel, so the more support I get from you, the more content I will produce. So don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys, so I'm under the car now. This is the rod I was talking about. You can see there's a rod here, and there's too much of play. Look at this. That's not supposed to be like that, so let's try to tighten it up. Okay guys, what I noticed was that the lollipop bush itself was bent, and that's a result of when they was removing the engine's block. I think they let the gearbox hang too much without removing all the linkages. So what I tried to do was take my socket and my ratchet and just bang it up more so it can sit flush. And once I put the nut back and tightened it, the nut was able to get more threads and tighten more flush and firm against the rod. So yeah guys, the gear problem is sorted. It was that same rod with the lollipop bush, the nut were loose, and the nut going to the back with the rod that goes to the back where the gear lever is. I'm going to show you guys that now. So you can see the rod going all the way underneath, and it goes to the front of the car. So usually what you would do to adjust your gears, there's a small 13 bolt that's there. If you can see it, there's a small 13 bolt. You loosen that, and then you manually take the rod and rotate it. However, you could also do it from the front, right over here. Can you see that 13 bolt, the one that I'm pointing at? This one here. You need to loosen that, and then the shaft goes inside it. So you could also loosen that bolt and rotate the shaft either left or right to get your gear set. I've already done that. I rotated it slightly to the right, and I tightened the bolt, and it seemed to fix the issue. All the gears are working perfectly. Clutch in, gear 1, gear 2, 3, 4, 5, reverse. Yeah, So when you have this issue, I know a lot of guys will say, first thing, change linkages, change the bushes. The bushes and stuff is only for play. Even if you have all the bushes out of your golf one, even if there's no bush at all there, it's just because of the play. But in general, it's the way your gears are adjusted for it to actually move. So when this is gear bushes that are damaged, but in general, if without the gear bushes, you're supposed to be able to get gears.